Something delicious has just arrived in Khamis Al Bahar. Not just a bakery, a place where love, tradition, and flavor comes alive. Where the smell of fresh bread pulls you in and every bite tells you, this is where I belong. At Al Jarad, we wake up early to knead, to craft, to create with care. No shortcuts, just real ingredients and real passion. Whether it's your morning treat or evening comfort, we are here to make it special. We are now open in Khamis Al Bahar. Come taste what home feels like, only at Al Jarad.